our kitty can draw friends. Hold on to your coconuts. Today we're drawing Simea, Moana's sister. From Moana to the movie. Let's start. First, draw half a circle for the bottom of the face. Let's draw the eyes at the top. Draw a curved line and a half circle over it. Make it curved on the outer side and pointy in the middle. Draw a half circle inside for the iris and a smaller one for the pupil. Make the top outer part thicker for the eyelashes. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. For the nose, draw a letter C under the left eye, its mirror image under the right eye, a half circle in the middle, then connect them all together to finish the nose. Draw a curved line under the nose for the mouth. Draw a half circle under it and another half circle under it for the lower lip. Draw a curved line at the top for the upper lip. Draw two small half squares for the teeth and a tiny zigzag line on each side. To make the hair, start from the left side, drawing some curves overlapping, going upwards until you reach the center right above the nose. Then connect this center to the other side of the face similarly. To make the top part of the hair, draw some similar curves overlapping to make a half circle on top of the head. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw a curve connecting the top of the hair to each side of the face. For the ears, draw an eyebrow over each eye, partially hidden behind the hair. You can draw some stray hairs coming down from the bangs and some around the ears. Draw two lines coming down from the face for the neck. To make the arms, draw a wavy line coming up from each side. Then draw another wavy line right under it. Make the two lines closer to each other at the elbow and near the hand. Now to make the hand, draw the thumb coming out from the upper line. Then draw 4 fingers with a tiny space in between. Make a curve to connect the little finger to the lower line. Draw a curve right under the 4 fingers and a curve in the middle of the palm for more details. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other hand. Connect the two arms at the bottom with a horizontal line. Then draw a vertical line coming down from each side. Then connect them at the bottom with another horizontal line. To finish the top, draw a small vertical line coming down from each side of the top, then connect them with a curved line at the bottom. Make a similar curved line under it and connect them on the sides to make the belt. Draw a diagonal line coming down from each side, then connect them together at the bottom with a curved line to finish the skirt. Draw a triangle coming down from the right side of the belt and another one next to it that's partially hidden behind it. To make the tie on the belt, draw two curved lines coming down from the bottom of the skirt for the leg. Before drawing the foot, draw a horizontal line with some circles on each side for the ankle bracelet. Extend the curved line from the line in the middle that's going down to the left to make the ankle and the sole of the foot. Then draw a diagonal line coming down from the other line and connect them together with a tiny zigzag to finish the foot. Repeat the same steps on the other side to finish the other leg and foot without the ankle bracelet. To finish the hair, draw some curves coming down from the bottom of the face on each side of the neck, intersecting the arms and connecting again to the sides of the body. Now to decorate her top, draw a horizontal line at the bottom part with some half ovals connected to each other under it. Draw another horizontal line on top with some letter V's connected to each other under it. Draw 3 diamond shapes on the upper part. Two letter V's on top and 2 upside down letter V's on the bottom. To decorate the skirt, draw a half circle coming down from the belt, a bigger one around it, then repeat this pattern along the skirt. Draw 3 oval shapes under each half circle and 1 oval shape between each two. The ocean is our friend. Now you can draw Simea, Moana's little sister, from Moana to the movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.